Good afternoon, guys. Still down with the flu, but ABC has a marathon of Harry Potter movies. So we're in the middle of movie number 2. I've been watching it all afternoon. And with watching movies, I get to cross stage. And I finished! Look! I finished page 1 on my little dragon. This is going to be awesome. So yeah, that is what I am up to this afternoon. I hope you have an awesome day. Well guys, it is evening and I'm just about to head to bed. I have crawled into the bathroom to talk to you a little bit before I'm turning in. These days with me having the flu doesn't give you that much to look at or much any kind of adventures going on. We had lunch at Chili's and this very nice hostess really liked my hair. She had tried to turn her hair magenta, but it had turned out to be orange instead. Things that happen when you colour your hair. But she was very, very nice. Then I actually went to Chili's for dinner too, because here's the thing, we really haven't had the energy to go anywhere, me and Christopher, because Christopher is also sick. And the only place close to the hotel here is Chili's. So I had a quesadilla for lunch and some fajitas for dinner, because that's the way I roll. But yeah, I'm continuing cross-stitching. I've basically done that all day. We have also booked another hotel. Now we're booked for the rest of the trip, so fully booked. We're going back up to LA tomorrow, so that's going to be nice, and hopefully all of this will kind of clear out. We are going into the drugstore tomorrow to find something for the nose, because like the cough and the flu is starting to kind of pass. So what we need is something for our nose so we don't sniffle as much as we do right now. But yeah, I really like the hotel. They're very nice people, and we need new Kleenexes because we have the sniffles and we got a whole box of them just by asking down in the hotel. I'm not used to being able to just get things, so yeah, that was pretty nice. And the cleaner, she was supposed to come in and clean yesterday, and then we just lie sick, so it didn't happen. And when she saw that we all went out of the room for breakfast, she actually hopped on over and cleaned up in our room. So we had clean sheets and new towels when we came up from breakfast also, so that's quite nice. I like the hotel. I like the people here. But yeah, I'm heading to bed. So thank you so much for watching, and good night, sleep tight. Don't let the bedbugs bite. Bye.